Ever wondered what the world sees when they stumble upon your Tableau public profile, and how to make sure that first impression is a great one? Let's dive into how others view your Tableau public profile and how to control what they see first. Let's clarify the core concept. Your Tableau public profile is your public resume showcasing your data visualization skills and is visible by default, which makes it important to manage. Click on your profile icon. It might be a picture of you or a placeholder. From the drop-down, click on My Profile or go straight to your profile page, then click on Edit Profile Settings to get started. This is where the magic happens. In the Public Information section, you can manage the basic information about yourself: name, professional title, contact information, and bio. It is a great place to show off your skills. Below that are the privacy settings, and you have the option to show or hide your contact information. Then scroll a bit to the content section, which lets you review all your workbooks and dashboards. This is where you can review your published workbooks. For each workbook or visualization, you have the option to hide it from your profile without deleting it. Click on three little dots next to the dashboard, then click Hide to make it invisible to the public. This helps you curate a clean presentation showcasing your best work. Now, go back to your profile page and take a look. Remember, potential employers or collaborators are seeing this, so make those visualizations shine and ensure you're putting your very best foot forward.